experiment based on Ohm's law. For this experiment, we have a battery eliminator. This is used for DC power supply and this is AC power supply. And we have also an ammeter used for measure the current of the circuit. And this is a switch. This is called one-way switch. If we open this key, this will become open circuit, and if we close this one, this will become closed circuit. Now this is called as a rheostat. This is called as a we can change the resistance of the circuit by moving this pointer. We can change the resistance of the circuit. The very simple circuit is here. You see here, this one we are going to connect with my 5 students. What is your name? This one Ankit, Asutosh and Ankit Singh. Now you start to connect this circuit. Take this wire. Now connect in the positive terminal of the battery. You see in the picture. Focus the camera on also on the picture, please, one time. This picture, this is the battery, this is the key, this is the resistance or rheostat, and this is the ammeter. We are going to connect with the positive terminal of the battery with the one terminal of the switch. Connect this. One terminal. Now the next terminal of the switch. You see, this one is the next terminal of the switch. Connect this one. Focus on this experiment. Next terminal of the switch, and with the one terminal of the rheostat. See this one, the one terminal of the rheostat. Connect this one. Okay, fine. Now you see here, the next terminal of the rheostat is this one. You connect here. Next terminal of the rheostat. Connect with the positive terminal of the ammeter. Connect here. Positive terminal of the ammeter. Negative terminal of the ammeter is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. This is the connection diagram. Where is the key point? We are going to close the key. This one. We are going to close the key. Wait. Now, before going to perform the experiment and before going to give the power supply, we must check the connection. Connection is proper and tight. Okay. Now you give the power supply. This one is the power supply. This battery eliminator is on, and you can see here that there is some current. Which is shown by the ammeter. Now we have to verify that if the resistance will increase, the current will decrease, and the resistance will decrease, then current will increase. This is a device called rheostat. By this device we can increase or decrease the resistance of a circuit. So if we are decreasing the resistance, you see the current is increasing. Current is increasing. If we are going to decrease the increase the resistance, current is decreasing. This is the Ohm's law. This is called as Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. समझ गए बात को? This is switch. If you open the switch, there is no current shown in the circuit because circuit will be, if we off the switch, if you disconnect the switch, there is no current in the circuit. There is no current in the circuit. If we on the switch, there will be a current in the circuit. You can see this is the experiment. This is the verification of Ohm's law. If we increase the resistance, current will decrease, and if we decrease the resistance, current will increase. This is battery eliminator, this is ammeter, this is switch, this is rheostat, and these are all connecting wires. This is a voltmeter used to measure the voltage across a resistor. If we want to measure the voltage across this resistance, we have to connect this voltmeter across this rheostat or resistance. Okay, thank you very much.